My name is Mike Brodziak. I'm the president of WTI. WTI makes functional ingredients for the food processing industry. By functional ingredients, we mean ingredients that performs a function that is a non-nutrition way. So our main segment is shelf life extension and pathogen control within food matrices. I like best about Impruver is that it's a common platform, and it's a way of communicating between really three shifts that aren't always, they don't overlap by more than just 30 minutes. And there's the ability to, in a uniform way, collect data on this common platform. I think that the data also is readily available. I can go onto my computer, I can go onto my iPhone and understand and see where some issues are. And not only that, I can take it one step further where I can do some troubleshooting and prioritizing to say, where are my biggest problems? And if I had to try and address 1, 2, or 3 of the top, multiple of issues, I can very readily find them. But I have one last thing that I think is really important. Systems, if they aren't user-friendly, if they don't have buy-in from everyone who touches them, are really useless. And what I would say is, I've spoken to a lot of the people that are using Impruver from a day-to-day basis, and without exception, people feel like it's a user-friendly platform that they can very easily communicate and have their ideas shared with the rest of the team. For that, I feel like it's becoming part of our company DNA, which can be built upon. Just today I was speaking to our Director of Quality Assurance, and Quality Assurance is getting on board, and so I see a future within our company where it isn't just a production-oriented tool, it's a tool that is used by every function of the company. I'll share one last thing about Impruver and the team from Impruver. Over the years, I suppose I've seen different software companies come and go and promote their wares. And what I really liked about Impruver was Impruver staff took the time to understand what it was that we were trying to do, understand our challenges, get to know our people. The team approach just really helped with the buy-in. As I had previously mentioned, you can have a wonderful tool, but if it isn't used and there's no buy-in, then everything just starts to unravel. So I'm really pleased that Impruver is part of our journey. We've got a lot of challenges still to go, but I'm very happy to have Impruver on the team to help with our future progress.